Welcome students. Our today topic is sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Suppose the first term is a and common difference is d of an arithmetic progression and last term is l. Total number of terms is n and sum of n terms is Sn. Then Sn is equal to a plus d second term, a first term, a plus d second term, a plus 2d and nth term is l last term. ध्यान से देखें तो फर्स्ट टर्म ए, नेक्स्ट टर्म a plus d 1d एडेड, सेकेंड टर्म 1d एडेड, मतलब नेक्स्ट टर्म प्रीवियस टर्म से d अबव है, d ज़्यादा है. रिवर्स करके देखें a प्लस 2d प्रीवियस टर्म 1d कम है, प्रीवियस टर्म 1d कम है. सो प्रीवियस टर्म इज l माइनस d and their previous term is l minus 2d. One plus two plus three plus 4 is 10. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 10. मतलब यदि किसी नंबर को रिवर्स ऑर्डर में प्लस करें तो भी सम में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. रिवर्स ऑर्डर में लिखने पर l प्लस l माइनस डी प्लस l माइनस 2d प्लस a प्लस 2d जस्ट प्रीवियस a प्लस d and last a. It is also equal to Sn. Adding these two terms, we get 2Sn, a plus l plus d minus d cancel, a plus l plus 2d minus 2d cancel, a plus l minus 2d plus 2d cancel, a plus l and a plus l. 2Sn equal to total number of terms is n, so a plus l is n times, therefore their sum is n into a plus l. Sn is equal to 2 transpose to right side n upon 2 a plus l. This is the formula for sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Sn is equal to, if number of terms is n, then last term is nth term and nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus a 2a n minus 1 into d. This is also formula for n terms. इस फॉर्मूला को हम तब यूज़ करेंगे जब किसी अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन का फर्स्ट टर्म और लास्ट टर्म मालूम रहे, टोटल नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स मालूम रहे. इस फार्मूला को हम तब यूज़ करेंगे जब फर्स्ट टर्म दिया हो और सेकेंड टर्म भी दिया हो, जिससे कॉमन डिफरेंस हम निकाल सकते हैं, या फर्स्ट टर्म और साथ में कॉमन डिफरेंस दिए गए हों. एक्सरसाइज 3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. फाइंड द सम ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन 9, 12, 15 अप टू 16 टर्म. Solution. First, given arithmetic progression 9, 12, 15, so on. Here first term A 9, common difference D 12 minus 9 3, number of terms and 16. Sn, sum of n terms, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum of 16 term, 16 upon 2, 2 into 9 plus 16 minus 1 into 3. 8, 2 1 2, 2 8 is 16, 9 2 is 18, 16 minus 1 is 15 multiplied by 3. 18 plus 15 3 is 45. 18 plus 45 is 63. 8 3 is 24, 2, 8 6. 8 6 is 48 and 2, 50. Thus, sum of 16 terms of given arithmetic progression is 504. Question number 3. How many terms of the arithmetic progression 24, 21, 18 must be taken so that their sum is 78? Given arithmetic progression 24, 21, 18. Here first term A 24, common difference D 21 minus 24 minus 3. Let the sum of n terms is 78. Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 78 n upon 2, 2 into 24 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. 2 transpose to left side. And 24 multiplied by 2, 48, minus 3 multiplied by n, minus 3n, minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. 156 equal to n, 48 minus 3n plus 3. 156 and 48 plus 3, 51 minus 3n. And multiply 51, 51n, n multiply minus 3n square. (51n minus 3n square transpose to left side. 3n square minus 51n plus 156 equal to 0. Dividing both side by 3. n square 17n n plus 52 equal to 0. Here x equal to n, a equal to 1, b equal to minus 17 and c is equal to 52. X equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. X equal to minus 17 plus minus 17 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 52 upon 2 into 1. X equal to minus plus. Minus 17 whole square is 289 and 52 multiplied by 4, 208 upon 2. X is equal to 17 plus minus 81 on 2. X equal to 17 plus minus 9 upon 2. On taking positive sign. X equal to 17 plus 9 upon 2. 26 upon 2. 13. On taking minus sign, x equal to 17 minus 9 upon 2, 8 upon 2, 4. Both values of n are possible, therefore either 4 or 13 terms must be taken so that their sum is 78.